wasn't just gone wasting time, right? I didn't stop recording to waste time. You feel me? I worked on myself. I got better. I quit bad habits because, I mean, if you can't be disciplined outside of the markets, how will you be disciplined in the markets? You know what I'm saying? And I always think of it like that. Like, if I'm uncontrollably smoking something and I can't stop when I want to stop, how can I expect to have the discipline in the markets to stop trading when I need to stop, to not go on tilt, to not overtrade when I can even simply put the blunt down? But hey, great morning so far. I did end up putting on a trade before I got in the shower. I just got out the shower. Let's actually see how the trade is doing because I haven't checked up on the trade. Trading on Tradeovate now, so I get to check my little trades on my phone now on TradingView. You feel me? I only trade on TradingView now. It's the greatest feeling ever, knowing I don't have to go in between apps. I don't have to be on my laptop to trade. I can literally trade straight from my phone. So let's see how the trade is doing. Currently, this is how the trade is doing. You feel me? I'm gonna let this trade play out. I'm actually gonna move my stop to a little bit in profit, just a tad bit, So it is now a risk-free trade, right? I love doing this. Once my trades always close a couple candles in profits, I always like to go ahead and at least put it by break even because I never want a green trade going red. That's my number one pet peeve. That's the number one thing I hate, when a green trade goes red. So once I get enough profit, you know what I'm saying, I happily put my stop loss a little bit in profit, and boom, now it's a risk-free trade. If I win, I win, and I win nice money, and if I lose, I don't care because it was risk-free. So that's pretty much it. This video is probably gonna be a nice little day in the life. I've never really did a day in the life videos, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it 100% pure, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do it like how every other YouTuber do it, you know what I'm saying? They set the camera up, wake up, brush their teeth. Obviously, I brush my teeth, wash my ass, you know what I'm saying? So y'all don't need to see that, you feel me? But today, I think I have a couple errands to run, not that many, you feel me? The main things I do on a daily basis is wake up, meditate. I had already completed my little 15-minute meditation, you know what I'm saying, just to clear my mind, because, you know what I'm saying, your mind could be real noisy in the morning when you just freshly waking up. You got a lot of things on your plate, a lot of things to do, so your mind is real noisy. But when you meditate, it feels like everything that you need or want is just gonna come to you. You don't even feel like chasing nothing no more, you feel me? You just let things be. So that's one thing I do. I meditate, boom, I wake up, meditate, then I go take the shower, you feel me? I look at the charts on my phone, see if there's anything popping up, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes there do be setups popping up before the New York Open, you know? So I see if anything's popping up. It may be, it may be not. I hop in the shower, then, you know what I'm saying, I hop on the charts. So right now we're just really waiting for the charts to for New York Open to actually open. So right now it's 9 o'clock and New York Open is at 9:30. So right now we're just waiting for New York Open. I'm actually about to hop on my Discord and have a conversation with my members, you know what I'm saying? We all gonna hop in the live trading call, prepare for this new trading day. And after that, we're probably gonna hit the gym and do some more shit. Who knows? So y'all boys, enjoy the video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys, by the way, for 700 subscribers. I've been gone for so long, it's like, I didn't even get to thank you guys. I hit 700 subscribers like 2 weeks ago. Thank you guys so much for 700 subscribers, especially when I wasn't even active. Showing y'all support like that only makes me want to cry. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit those post notifications so when I post, I hit your phone, my boy. And yeah, have a great time watching my video. Basically today I do plan on trading YM, aka US 30. So right now what I do see on the 1 hour slash, I'm looking at the 15-minute too. Right now on the 1 hour, I do expect us to be a little bit bearish right here on the 4 hour time frame. We did end up having a fair value gap last night, and I was able to catch a piece of that out of this 4 hour fair value gap. But yeah, for the day, I am definitely bearish. You know, of course, there's always a possibility that this is just another higher low setting up for a higher high. But I am more so on the bearish side today, and I'm actually targeting this area right here. I do think we will hit 34,000 at most. I think that's the biggest drop we can get, but I am targeting the 34,200 area. I do strongly believe that we will reach the 34,200 area, but who knows? You know what I'm saying? I'm not a genie. Nobody can predict the market. Y'all would just see if I was right or wrong at the end of this video. I'm targeting this imbalance right here, but I'm Also wanting us to reach down here. Who knows what happened. I wrote right here for the chat to see. Possibility that this imbalance gets filled today. Question mark. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah. By the way, my Discord link is in the description. I have lowered the price down to $20 a month. You know what I'm saying? To make it affordable for everybody to be able to join, take my signals, and eat with me. You feel me? Alright, so what I said was going to happen exactly happened the exact way that I said it was going to play out. So me and chat did just eat for the first trade of the day, and that's probably going to be my only trade of the day. So this morning when the market opened, we started breaking out. All right, we were boom pushing up, buyers were stepping in, everybody thought we were bullish, but I was telling my chat, I told them, look, I am bearish on the day. On the 4-hour, we are extremely bearish. So just because we're bullish right now does not mean we're taking any longs. I told them I am waiting for shorts out of this area, or if we did end up breaking out of there, I was waiting to take a short out of here and target the 34,200s, right? So we ain't quite hit PT yet, but I did end up cutting over more than half of my position. Right now I have like 2 runners running. So basically it's a risk-free trade because my stop is at break even. But what I said was gonna happen exactly played out. If you're not in the Discord, I don't know why you're being stubborn. I don't know why you're being stubborn. You know what I'm saying? I do this on the daily. You know, some days you do have rough days, but when I'm in my bag, I'm in my fucking bag. So, that's pretty much it for the trading day. I'm probably about to go to the gym. You know what I'm saying? Lift a couple weights so I can get bigger. Y'all been getting way bigger. I know when I first started YouTube, y'all remember I was skinny as shit. Now I'm just skinny as fuck. A great trading day, man. I love great trading days. I love when I execute my trades and I follow my trading plans. Ooh, I love when I follow my trading plan. Low key, I get more satisfaction off of following my trading plan than actually win or losing a trade. Way more satisfaction off of actually following my plan. Ignore the back. Gotta fold them close. Didn't feel like doing. And as you guys can see, doing exactly what I told chat. Hold on, let me actually tell chat, because I just told chat this was probably gonna happen. Alright chat, as y'all can see, exactly what I said was gonna happen. We were gonna retest that support that we broke, that we were struggling to break. We retested and boom, it looks like we're coming all the way down, and we are actually about to hit these 34,200s. I really didn't care whether or not we hit 34,200. You know what I'm saying, guys? I didn't really care because there's only 2 runners left running for me. I wiped out over half of my position, but it looks like we might actually be getting there sooner than later. So probably finna hop on Fortnite or some shit, wait for my homeboy to get back home from school so he can, you know what I'm saying, hit the gym, and yeah. Right now, putting in work, you know what I'm saying, at the gym with my son. Yeah, you feel me? Being right, you feel me? Hide your hoe. You know what I'm saying? When I get behind the machine, oop, 1, oop, 2, oop, 3, yeah, get right. You see this little nigga? Y'all don't be like this little nigga. This little nigga tiny.
I really be teaching this nigga how to fucking gym, nigga, for real.
I really been teaching this nigga how to gym, for real. It be the ugly ass niggas. You know, when you put a camera in these niggas' face, they start saying stupid shit.
I really put this nigga onto the gym, bro. I put him on, bro. Got any workout routine, y'all get at me, bro.
Cap.
That's not even a cap, bro.
But yeah, y'all, right now I'm recording off my phone. I can't show y'all the games for today, but $1,000 game for today, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and slap that on the screen, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, we going crazy, you feel me? This is probably gonna be the end of the vlog, you know what I'm saying? Cool day in the life. And you feel me? It's gonna get a little bit bigger, you feel me? So I can take your hoe, so make sure you hide your hoe when you see it, young KCP. And that's pretty much it.